here, do us a little favor, give us this little girl a little love, and subscribe. Look at her channel. She's literally so chill.
Patience and me are birthday pals.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. As you can see, it is evening because the sun is setting over there. Steph and me are walking down to do the sheep. It is our lovely mother's birthday today, so yeah, we are. Just discovered the microphone was not on, so it's on now. What?
Turn around until we get past these geese, because they're kind of loud.
Yeah, these geese are loud and annoying. Like, I have to talk louder.
Shut up!
See? This is a wild side on us. I think it's the weather. The weather right now, as you can see, we're in short sleeves. So, obviously, it's the type of weather that we love. So, let's go down. I love the way we're like color coordinating almost. But anyways, let's go see the sheepies. I feel like it's been forever since we've been on here, and I honestly don't even remember when we last did our vlog. When was that last? I think it might have been a little over a week. I don't know. Last week. I think it might have been on Thursday. Anyways, that doesn't really matter. We're just back on here. We've been busy. Like, for a long time. Big girl, look at that girl.
Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hi, baby.
First off, let's just show them this real fast. Look at that view. You cannot see how. You cannot see it from here, but it's so gorgeous. Hey, sweet girls.
Daisy, say hello. Say hello, Daisy.
What is this?
Daisy, hello.
Okay, patience. Say hello. Are you gonna say hello with putting your nose into it? These girls are fine, babe. Look at Patience. Like, look, can we just look at this girl? Like, look at that. I am impressed with that.
Daisy, that little kid.
Just like her mom, putting weight on over the winter. You want to explain to this? You're so cute. Yeah, you need to welcome Steph back because I don't believe she's been on here for a while. So, say hello to this sweet
Howdy.
girl.
Daisy, hello, girlie. Hi, you're so pretty, Daisy. Did you know that? Oh, you can give me kisses. You're so sweet.
So basically, right now we're just gonna give you a little evening vlog because I don't believe it. Maybe we have. Yeah, I don't even know if you can see me. Silly Patience.
Daisy.
Look at these girlies. I can't wait to get some babies out of them. Patience, why are you so funny?
Daisy, what is up? What are you doing, Daisy? Daisy, why do you always do that?
She's so sweet. Patience, what are you doing, you little stinkpot? Little sweetheart. You know, it's, like I said, been really busy. And I just can't, like, you cannot see it on here, how pretty that sunset is. Gorgeous. Patience, what are you doing, you little silly goose? You're so cute. Anybody that, like, has animals on, they know that animals get funny, crazy names, and it's kind of funny to, like, all the funny names you come up with. So you name off, like, some of the names that Patience has.
Toot bird, baby girl, stink pot. Yeah.
Precious.
Oh, that's her name.
Yeah, her name is Precious, but we call her Patience, so her first name is, like, Precious Patience. We make our names complicated right here, apparently. You're so cute. Did you agree with that? You're so cute. Oops.
Daisy, why are you so pretty? Why are you so
Daisy.
cute? Daisy's nickname is Pumpkin.
Daisy, your nickname's Pumpkin?
Pumpkin.
Because she's so sweet.
Daisy, why do you always act like that?
So Daisy's like really funny because she like acts like she like doesn't get attention, and she really does get attention. It's just kind of funny to like watch her like act like I'm not getting attention here, when she really is getting attention. She just likes to act it out.
Oh yes, you always do that to the video camera. You don't know what else to do.
You're so funny. You're so funny.
Daisy.
Show them all their favorite things. Like how what makes Daisy like get all funny. Basically, Stephanie tickles her toe, and she gets really like she like puts her head all up in there. She Patience do the same too. Oh, Lord. You funny girl. What are you doing, you silly girl? Back when she was a baby, Stephanie would do this, and she would literally like climb all over our laps and like just lay down on them. Yeah, she's pretty loved. And she's like, I have to be. I'm like your favorite, aren't I? You silly little girl.
Daisy's like, oh, I'm your favorite too.
Don't you forget that? Mm-hmm. That's why I got you, because you're so pretty. Patience, what are you doing, little rascal? Which sheep gets the most love here? Apparently the one that likes it more, and sometimes I'm this type of person, like, I feel super, like, upset when there's one that acts all, like, standoffish and, like, they're not getting attention. So, like, I feel bad. I pity for them. If you don't know, right now I'm using my hand to study on Daisy. Daisy. I feel like we should do more evening vlogs because I like the way the like setting of it looks. It's like so pretty. Patience. I did not tell you to climb on me. And if you're like sitting like this with your knee down, Patience like thinks it's her liberty to literally come and stand on. And if Daisy's getting brushed, she's not getting brushed. She literally butts Daisy off. She's like, I'm so jealous. And Daisy's just a sweet girl. Oh, look at you. Oh, Daisy, you're gonna use my arm to scratch? Oh, my word. Right, y'all. You see her? You're so cute. I'm sweet. You're so sweet. You know that. She's like, Mom, I know that. You tell me like that 24/7, don't you? Look at him, just using Stephanie as their little platform. Funny girl. I don't know how many of you have or haven't, but I mentioned in our last video that we have our newsletter out. So I will drop it again down below in the comments. So make sure you go down there and check it out and join our newsletter. Have our first update coming up tomorrow. So excited about that stuff?
Yep.
Patience, you're so funny. Why do you do that? If you didn't see that, she was like pawing at my hand to try to get my hand so she could get some more attention.
If you love sheep, don't forget to subscribe.
And on the other hand, Patience is mad at me over here. You silly girl.
Daisy.
Did you see that? You little silly girl. Y'all, if you're not subscribed here, do us a little favor. Give us this little girl a little love and subscribe. Look at her chewing her cud. She's literally so chill right now. We used to have a lamb that you could tip him upside down and be scratching his belly, and he would chew his cud. Like, I'm not lying. Because not upside down, but you could like to be on back on his stomach or something, and he just like chill. Like we trim his hooves, and he just like be chewing his cud. Really funny line. That is the type of sheepies I love.
This is checking you guys out. You know, what are you doing? Daisy. You're so sweet. Daisy's telling you to subscribe.
Oh, Daisy's telling you guys to subscribe.
Daisy's telling you how to subscribe.
Daisy's how supposed to subscribe? I just I needed something to put my foot on so I could scratch it. Daisy, why are you doing this? Is this really necessary? You're so sweet. Did you need me to scratch it for you? Is that what you were trying to tell me? Okay. I'll scratch it. I'll scratch it. If you buy a sheep from us in the future, just know you're going to get a really tame one. And you better love it well. You want to tell him something? Say, subscribe. Boom. Silly girl. And I'm just too more Cody. You know, we should do a vlog of a whole day of us talking in the sheep's voice. I was like, no. No, I think you would have a little bit of fun out of it. By the way, all animals that live on this farm have a voice. Except for the chickens probably don't have a voice, or do they? Sounds like no, they don't.
Daisy, why are you so pretty? Why are you so pretty?
I don't know.
Daisy, I will scratch you.
So, have you ever told him that special fun fact about Patience and you? Tell him.
What fun fact?
You know.
Tell him. Patience and me are birthday pals.
Yeah, little fun fact. Patience was born literally a day before Sunny's birthday. So, they are birthday pals. I get to celebrate him this year.
Why did you wait for Stephanie's birthday? You're silly girl.
He's like, I was trying to tell Mom let me out, but she wouldn't let me out.
Silly girl. Look at this. What are you doing, Daisy?
You're so funny. What are you doing? You're so funny. Well, y'all, it is getting dark, as you can see. And this little statue of Daisy at her. Oh, Daisy, you were so big. You were so big and pretty.
Every time I hug Daisy, Patience just looks at me like, why aren't you hugging me?
Yeah, she's jealous. If you guys, I told you this before, I'm sure, but she ripped out her pretty little ear tag that I put in.
Thank you.
All thanks to being too stupid and getting out of the wire. Alrighty, y'all, that is all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this short little vlog. And yeah, we will see you guys next time on your way out. You know what we're about to tell you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that like button as well. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!